Alright, hello guys. I'm here to talk about learning outcome 2.11. It says use London dispersion forces to predict properties and explain trends for nonpolar substances. So first I'm going to start out with saying that a nonpolar substance is one that does not have an equal amount of electrons. So right here we have this diagram. It says polarization view. So this is atom A and B, and this is two helium atoms with no polarization. And then for part B, there's an instantaneous dipole on atom B, as you can see here. And then when we move to diagram C, we see an induced dipole on atom A. And so basically, the opposite charges of each atom attract. And that is basically what a dispersion force is. And so here's some trends. Basically the melting and boiling points of certain chemical compounds. And here we could see like a dispersion force, which would be like nitrogen N2, and there's a melting point of 63 Kelvin and a boiling point of 77 Kelvin. So usually dispersion force, like molecules that use dispersion forces usually have lower melting and boiling points, as you can see there. And that's pretty much it. And then, polarizability is basically a measure of the squashiness of an electron. Basically, an electron's cloud will kind of stretch out. Like this doesn't really show it here, but most times the atom will stretch out like this, and then on both of them, and then the opposite sides will attract, as seen in this one. Alright.